Okay, this is a video to tell where to find our workshop from 6 o'clock, because when you reach to 128, the store normally the store will be closed, so we need to walk along further down to the street where we can turn left. Okay, here we will turn left, and then if you're driving whichever direction you are coming from, left direction or left direction, you turn this straight. I believe it's called Aurora Street, and then you're driving, and also if you get off the bus, you come this way. And you will see this complex building, looks like a car park. It is a car park. And that's where you turn left. And you will also see this Asian Family Services sign here. So that's where you can park the car. And also if you're walking down here, you're just walking through, or you're driving. So you have to park where it says PGF staff parking or PGF visitor parking. There are a number of them available. For example, this says PGF staff parking. PGF, you can park here, no problem. And then, but be careful. Don't park, like for example, don't park here with a sign says park ball. Yeah, and there are other PGF staff parking along the side. You can park. See, PGF staff parking, but if there is a parkable sign, don't park here, because it is rented to park